Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the expansion tank, the coolant tank on VW Polo, and this particular model is 2003, and the reason we are changing it is there's a leakage. We managed to get a brand new expansion tank. It is from the dealers, and this is the expansion tank, so we're going to replace the old one with the new one. This is a new one. Tools we need for this job is a 10mm socket and the ratchet, okay, and the pliers to undo the hose pipes, one here and one underneath. I'll just show you what we need. So before doing that, we're just going to pull out these connectors here, and it's a 10mm socket as I mentioned. There are two nuts to undo. Just gonna undo the connector. There you go. That's that connector out of the way. Right, okay guys, what we also need to do is to take this part out, remove this part, because without taking this part out we won't be able to move the expansion tank. So just gonna take that off. So there are 4 screws to take off. One at the back here. There we go. That's that out of the way now. Okay. So now disconnect this part and this one here. Instead of disconnecting, I'm just going to rest it on the side. And now we need to undo this nut here. Okay. This nut here under. We've taken this bracket off. Now we need to undo 2 more. So they were these are the primary nuts, and then the secondaries are to secure this bracket on top. Okay, so we're just going to take these nuts off as well. Okay, for that you need a long 10mm socket. 10mm socket, this long one here. Okay. Right, it's not a nut, it's the whole thing. This comes apart like this, okay? And then there's another one on this side. There you go friends, that's just a snug fit, you just need to pull it out, yank it out. You're just gonna undo the clips, water hose. Right, that's one, and there's one at the bottom. Just gonna do that one as well. It's got water at the bottom, but the leakage is from this seal here, this joint here. There you go, friends. This is the brand new expansion tank. We are not using a new lid. We're going to be using the old existing lid onto it, just like that. Okay, perfect. So we're just gonna do the bottom hose first. Okay, there you go. That's that in place nicely. I'm gonna slide in the top hose. So these are the screws which go first. One on each side. Okay, not too tight. That's that nicely done up. Just gonna clip the fuel filter pipes here, and now we need to fit the bracket, this bracket here. Okay, that gets secured with the 10mm nuts. One here, one here, and then one here. There you go. That's that nicely secured. Not too tight, not too loose. There you go. That's that done. One here. Okay. Now we're gonna fit in this part, which before we fit that part in, we're just gonna slide this harness just down, just slide it down like this, and then that one there. Four screws. Right, just gonna connect these vacuum pipes. These are just the vacuum pipes. Okay, there we go. That's that nicely secured. Going to connect the connector onto the expansion tank. Okay, this is the concentrate. We are using this rapid cool granule. Okay. We are using concentrate. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some water to it. Okay, it's up to you. I normally do 50-50. Okay, and we're gonna add some water in a minute. There you go, friends. That's nicely secured. Thank you very much for watching the video.